Now I can put all this jack back here. You see, this nut will use that rod to fix the jack in the position like this. You can tighten it up, and this is a tool roll, so you can put it here. And this is the wrench for the wheel nut. Put it here, and we have this security tool for loosening the security bolt on the wheel. This is the wrench for loosening the bolt on the wheel. And finally, we have this safety triangle, and it should be put there. To press this, open it up, and put it in here, and then press this in. Now it's all in the position. So the jack, tool roll, the wrench, the security tool for the wheel bolt, and the triangle. Okay, there's another one I forgot. This is the choke for the wheel, and it should go in there.